This old factory is a bit of a mystery to us. We came across it by chance as we were passing. Not far from Rothwell in Leeds, the ruins of this place are easily missed.
Oh, easy. Look at that.
But when it comes to abandoned buildings, we don't miss much.
I don't know what manner of materials are inside this trailer, but I ain't breathing it in.
There's basically nothing online about this other than a sign on old Street View images that says MJ Petfoods and Proteins.
Some an old loading bay or something.
The building was already well abandoned though by the time the first Street View images were taken.
Yeah, it is. I can see from here it's held up.
You sure?
Yeah.
Right, okay, here.
There's an old fridge. An old chimney would appear so, maybe. That's obviously an old doorway.
Absolutely.
Same.
We got in touch with two companies that share the same name. One told us they're pretty sure they never had a factory in this location, and the other told us to email them. We did, and they never got back to us. So, we have to guess.
I'm guessing this were all office space at this time, but I'm not really sure. Let's see what else we can see. Ways to explore the rest of it. It would appear so. Oh, here we are. Piece of piss, wander straight in.
Our assumption is this was a small pet food processing or cooking plant.
What's this? It's been abandoned for years, this side. Look. Buttons, normal firing, low water.
Judging by the control panel and the big blue tank, we think this was a large pressure cooker. We're guessing this was a dry food plant, as the control panel on the pressure cooker references water, which would only be added to dry food, also known as kibble.
We got in here. Ooh, all floors come through, if there were one. I'd assume there were. You know, there's what looks like fireplace in there.
We're not sure what's happening with this place now. On some later Street View images, there's a for sale sign. We checked this company's website, and this property is no longer listed there.
Can I climb up there?
We've checked for any planning permission requests, and there are none.
I'm climbing it the wrong way, what a dickhead. Right, oh, excellent second floor. Whoa, that's a bit wobbly. Really too much to see up here, and oh, you can see up top there. Ooh, right. So we can piece together where we are and where we're going, eh? Right, so we need to find a way in that bit then, I think. I've got down from there, that were horrible.
We also checked sold property prices, and there's no record of this.
There we are. I don't know then, what this machine? It's obviously it's something to do with steam, because there's water controls, and then there's a big funnel, or chimney, whatever you want to call it. So, I'm not sure. We'll wander out ground, see if we can see any other secret bits. I think that's pretty much it, innit? Well, that's where I got on them lintels. So there's this bit now. Have we already been in that bit?
Yeah, you can't get in it. It's off.
I wonder if there's a way around the other side. Because that's them lintels. Right. Some more exploring to do. There's not really much in ground, it's just piles of shit. Don't like there ever war out here really, it's just a yard used for whatever it was used for. There's no evidence really. as to what it was, other than big silos, which I'm guessing they were water tanks. No, there's no way in, is there?
No.
That's a shame. I'm not scaling there in the middle of the day. I'm guessing this were a smoking shelter or something. Oh, actually, no, there's pipes. It's all round here.
Yeah.
Bush. No, I can't see a way in or out there. It's all bricked up. Yeah, well, we've seen what we can. I'm gonna have one last go. I might scale the wall inside. If I climb up here and scale that wall up there, see if I can do it and get over. No, that's all at wall. It's just a big. I can't jump down there. I'll have no legs, and there's definitely no way in.
Unfortunately, this may have just been left to rot